Welcome to an easy guide on how to allow Facebook to perform automatic downloads on your PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to keep your Facebook experience seamless without manual interruptions, this quick tutorial will walk you through the steps step by step. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. If you're using a desktop browser version, make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust. You'll notice a clean interface with a few icons at the top of the page. Look for the three dots arranged horizontally near the top right or within the main menu area. These dots indicate additional options. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, find and select App Info. This section is where Facebook Group's related settings and permissions live. Once you open App Info, look for an option labeled Settings and click into it. You're now at a page that consolidates various permissions and preferences for how the app interacts with your device. Within Settings, you'll see a section labeled Permissions. This is where you control what the app can do on your PC. Look for and select More Settings Permissions to expand the available options. This expands the list and exposes additional toggles and controls that aren't visible in the main permissions area. Next to automatic downloads, you'll find a setting that determines how files are downloaded and stored automatically. Choose Allow to enable automatic downloads. This change tells Facebook to handle downloads in the background, making sure assets, media, and updates flow through without requiring manual confirmation each time. If you don't see the exact wording or arrangement on your screen, don't worry. Interfaces can vary slightly between updates and devices. The core idea is to navigate to App Info, then Settings, locate permissions, open More Settings Permissions, and finally toggle automatic downloads to allow. After you make the change, it's a good idea to test by leaving the app idle for a moment and then checking whether a file downloads automatically as expected. That's all there is to it. With these steps, Facebook will manage automatic downloads on your PC, helping you stay up to date without extra clicks. If you run into any discrepancies, consider updating the app or restarting the browser to ensure the new permission takes effect. Thanks for watching.